What's all that racket out here? Can't a guy get some sleep? Gee. Ha ha ha. Friday, it's the Thursday Farmers Market. Every Thursday, this is the first one. No, I got about 6 more. Hey, what's going on? Hey, you.
Hi.
Raffle tickets? You selling raffle tickets to Sacramento River Cats, huh?
Yes.
All right. Hey, like us on Facebook.
Yep, like
Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce. This is put on by the Chamber, isn't it?
It is, yes.
All right.
Hey, Dave.
Hey.
Talk about the 4th of July.
Yeah, it's this thing that they've been doing
Okay.
ever since they made this.
Yes. Let's see what's out here. They shut the road down, and I can just walk on down the street. Nobody's business. Right here in front of the chamber. This is the farmers market. This is the first night. And there's some different vendors here other than just produce. Okay. If you want some nice homegrown local farmers market vegetables and fruits, come on out. Hey, yes, they even accept EBT. Okay. All right, Dave's Dogs. Ooh, I just got one of these. Hey, where's Dave?
Dave's not here.
I just got one of these Hebrew National Dogs. It was good too. Hey, you got the veggie dogs here too?
We do.
All right. I might have one of those next time.
All right.
Okay. Okay, if you want to bring your pet, don't bring them over here by the farmers market area, but you can have them mosey along over here. Okay. Yeah. Let's see, until August 27th, I think. Every Thursday night, 5 o'clock. I think it's 5 to 8 is what it is. Come on out. And it was kind of hot here at first, but then the sun's kind of going down a little bit, and it's actually, the sun's still up a ways, but see how nice and shady it is over here. So yeah, you can come out anyways. Come on, they want your support your local businesses. Hope I'm not getting you too dizzy by going back and forth. Hey! Oh, here's some more fruits and vegetables over here. Yep. Ooh, honey too. Nice. From Sheridan, California, Placer County. Okay. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, nice. How you doing?
I'm good. Hi, Brad. Long time no see.
Oh, this is what I want to see. Ooh. Hey, you gonna show us? You gonna make us a balloon? Come on.
Yeah, make a doggy.
Where's that pump you had? I want to see that big pump in action. Come on.
Yeah. All
Face
right.
painting too.
Yeah.
I guess you guys do it all.
It's going over here.
All right.
This
Magic
is the place to be.
family of
There you go.
clowns.
Woo-woo.
There's the phone number. You do parties and stuff like that too?
Of course.
Of course you do.
I know a few princesses.
Huh?
I know a few princesses.
Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, I see she's made a few swords here. Can she make anything else?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
What else can you make besides a sword?
I can do dogs, cats, monkeys, turtles, dinosaurs,
Okay, a
flowers,
monkey. Come on.
hearts.
Make me a monkey.
All right, let's do a black monkey.
Okay.
All right, so she said little, little, big, little, big,
Wow.
little.
That's a lot of remembering.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And then here's the head for the monkey.
You have to go to school to learn how to do this?
No, we read a book.
Oh, a book.
And that's
You
how
read it
I
or
learned.
just look at the pictures?
Yeah, we looked at the pictures. Pretty much. Yeah.
Before YouTube.
Okay.
When I was 8 years old.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh!